Hello, this is Jeremy with SkipperBud's here in Bay City, Michigan. Today we have a 2023 Four Winns HD8 for sale. This boat is about as close to brand new as you can get. It only has 6 hours on the motor. Has the windlass anchor. This is black with a white bottom hull, equipped with the tower and the gray stripe along the bottom. Has the gray sea decking, the upgraded stereo, along with the lounger on the back. As you can see, it's got the beautiful dark gray interior, tower with the bimini top, you can seat 10 people very comfortably. Very nice helm with the JL audio stereo system. See the bow speakers here. And this does come equipped with a full head. Comes with a back lounging table for more entertaining. This boat is a used boat price, but pretty much, like I said, a brand new, as close as you can get the brand new boat. Please call Jeremy at SkipperBud's in Bay City for more information.